children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Billimora would like to explain you the topic measurement of math subject. In Mayflower Sem 2 book, page number 102, my topic is capacity. Capacity tells us how much water a container can hold. A big container will hold more water than a smaller container. Take the one that can hold more water. What's the capacity? Capacity say how much water a container can hold. कैपेसिटी यानी कि क्षमता, वो पानी कितना रख सकते हैं. दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, जो चीज़ हमने ली है उसमें हम कितना पानी रख सकते हैं, उसमें कितना पानी भर सकने की क्षमता है, उसको कैपेसिटी कहते हैं. अब यहाँ पे टू ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़ गिवन, वन हैज़ जग एंड वन हैज़ ग्लास. सो जग हैज़ मोर कैपेसिटी देन ग्लास. जग में ज़्यादा पानी रहेगा ग्लास से. सो वी हैव टू टेक दैट कैन होल्ड मोर वाटर. हमें जिसमें ज़्यादा पानी भर सकते हैं उसके ऊपर टिक करना है. सो वी हैव टू टिक ऑन जग. जग कैन होल्ड मोर वाटर देन ग्लास. नाउ the jug can hold more water than the glass. The glass is bigger than the spoon. The glass is bigger than the spoon. The glass can hold more water than the spoon. The glass can hold more water than the spoon. यहाँ पे ग्लास और स्पून दिया हुआ है. तो ग्लास में ज़्यादा पानी रहेगा कि स्पून में रहेगा? तो ग्लास में ज़्यादा पानी रहेगा. तो ग्लास हैज़ कैपेसिटी इज मोर देन द स्पून. ग्लास की कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा है स्पून की कैपेसिटी से, क्योंकि ग्लास में ज़्यादा पानी रहता है स्पून से. सो द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ग्लास इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ द स्पून्स. सो कैपेसिटी मीन्स क्षमता. कैपेसिटी मीन्स which object we have to take that how much water will be hold. जो हम ऑब्जेक्ट लेते हैं उसमें कितना पानी हम रख सकते हैं. Now next, take the ones that have more capacity. Now here two object has given, we have to take tick mark which capacity has more. Now look at here, one has bottle, milk bottle, and one has glass. Two objects have bottle and glass. So which capacity is more, bottle or glass? So you can see and say, children, which capacity is more, bottle or glass? Bottle. Yes, bottle capacity is more. So more capacity that we have to take on here. Okay. Now next, here also two object has given, one has cup and one has kettle. So which capacity has more, cup capacity has more या kettle capacity is more? So kettle capacity is more. So we put on tick kettle. Now the third one, here have object one spoon and one cup. So which capacity is more, spoon capacity has more or cup? So this both spoon capacity is less than cup capacity. Cup capacity has more. So we have to tick on cup capacity because spoon has very less container than cup. Now next, bucket and tank. So which capacity is more, bucket or tank? So we can understand this tank capacity is more. So we have to put on tank capacity. We have to tick mark on tank capacity. Now measuring capacity. It takes 8 glass of water to fill the jug. This jug capacity is this, fill up this 8 glass of water. We fill up this one jug. So one jug capacity is 8 glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The capacity of jug is 8 glasses. It take 8 glasses of water to fill the jug. Means jug capacity is 8 glasses. Is 8 glass of water we can fill up on the jug. So jug will be full. So jug capacity is 8 glasses. Now we have to see exercise. The bottle can hold 5 cups of water. So capacity of bottle, how many cups? Now we have to see that here this bottle is hold 5 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups of water we put on the bottles. So that bottle is fill up. Means bottle capacity is 5 cup. The pot can hold 4 cups of tea. 1, 2, 3, 4. The pot can hold 4 cups of tea. So capacity of pot is 4 cups. We put 4 cups of tea of this pot. So this pot is fill up proper. The kettle can hold 8 cup of tea. The kettle can hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The capacity of the kettle is how much? 8 cup. 8 cup we put tea inside of kettle. So kettle is fill up proper. Now next, take the heavier ones. Now we have to see which object is heavier. Now first one, here we can see tiffin box and chocolate. So which one is heavier, tiffin box or chocolate? So we can understand tiffin box is heavier. So we put on tick mark tiffin box. Now second one, eraser and book. So which one is heavier, eraser or book? So children, tell me which can heavier? Book can heavier. Yeah, so put on tick mark book. Now third one, quail and bird. Which one is heavier, quail or bird? So bird is heavier. Quail or bird, that is bird is heavier. Now next, chalk stick and one chalk. Chalk stick box and one chalk. So which one is heavier, chalk stick box or chalk? So chalk stick box is heavier. Now take the longer one. Now here has given two objects, one is sharpener and one is spoon. So which one is longer, sharpener or spoon? So tell me student, which object is longer? Spoon. So we put on tick on spoon. Now take the ones that can hold more water. Which object can hold more water, kettle or bucket? So bucket has big, bucket can hold more water. So we put tick mark on bucket. Now second object is cup and jug. So which object can hold more water? So jug. So we put on jug. Now third, glass or water bottle. So which object can hold more water? Say children, which object can hold more water? So water bottle. So we put tick mark water bottles. So children, this activity you have to write in your textbook. I will send in PDF file. Thank you. Thank you children.